What better way to kick off the show than with the world debut of the Ocean Alexander 32 Explorer? The tranquility of the open ocean, the harmony of rolling waves, all design elements which inspired the Ocean Alexander's newest super yacht. The salon and dining areas are designed to impress with the most refined interiors. This grand and flowing space embodies luxury and elegance with thoughtful consideration to functionality. You can entertain while offering the best vantage point of open water, fresh air, and expansive vistas. The interior finishes are exquisite, from the finest stone and white oak flooring to durable upscale carpet and upholstery. No detail has been overlooked.
We actually created a yacht that fills so many needs and so many desires. So whether it is outdoor pursuits, indoor pursuits, entertaining, large gatherings, small gatherings, this yacht actually fits every one of those criteria.
The on-deck master suite offers a private and secluded getaway with mesmerizing frameless windows. A view of the sea can be enjoyed morning or night. Even in the stunning and private staterooms, there is a connection to the open water. Designer finishes are at every touch point, created to inspire the ultimate dream space. The Ocean Alexander sleeps up to 10 with 5 staterooms, a feature outside of their class in that category. These spacious staterooms, all with their own ensuite. One of my favorite features on this build is the floor-to-ceiling windows. You can just feel the light pouring in. Ocean Alexander has become by far the most emulated line in yachting. Safety, efficiency, and sustainability have been driving the market, and Ocean Alexander has once again exceeded expectations in all of those categories. The bridge deck or sky lounge offers 2 open outdoor spaces as well as a vast climate-controlled entertaining space. This super yacht builds off of the 28 Explorer and 30 Revolution. The Ocean Alexander 32 Explorer is 102 feet in length and has a 21-foot beam. The list price comes in at $16 million. Now, a defining feature of this super yacht is their multifunctional aft platform. It gives you the option to deploy wings, extending its size. This multifunctional aft platform allows you to explore the waters around you. There's room for tenders, sea bobs, jet skis. There's also a robust crane to launch from the side with easy access to the water.